Yo, I'm Electro, and as you saw in the title, yes, I am 14, and I'm currently eating 4,500 calories every single day. So today I actually wanted to show you kind of my diet and what I eat in a day, and it consists of 4 meals, well, kind of 3 meals, and then a snack. So you can use all of these meals kind of separately because in most of my meals there are like two components. So I have like a normal meal and then I have like a dessert. And by the way, all of these foods are like 99% clean. So you can use them even when you cut, just lower the proportions. But firstly, I actually want to explain to you why do you have to eat so many calories at even 14. Well, it simply comes to down to my how many steps I have, and then also how hard and how much I am actually training. So I'm training 5 times a week with really high intensity, and then also I'm walking 12 to 15,000 steps every single day. So my maintenance is around 4,000 calories, making my bulk right now 4,500 calories. I am 6 feet. I'm 6 feet tall, and I'm 83 kg right now. So you just kind of have measurements. So let's go straight into the meals.
Okay, so for the first meal we actually have French toast. For this meal we need 3 eggs that we will crush into a bowl, and then we're going to mix them. So basically we're just whisking them until the mixture kind of becomes yellowish and gets kind of a consistent texture and color. Okay, so when this is finished, we take some milk and we pour a tiny bit of milk. There is nothing that we can really measure. It's like not a lot of calories, so we don't need to measure it. Right after this, we're going to whisk the milk and the eggs together. And after we have done just that, we will add some cinnamon into the mixture. So just like you see, not a lot, but you kind of want the cinnamon to give it a lot of taste because we are not adding any sugar or any type of a sweetener. Okay, so just like we've done this, we're going to mix it together so it kind of blends in together, and so we can dip our toast later into it. Now we're going to put some olive oil into our pan on medium heat, and we're going to just spread it around. And now we're going to take some toasts. You can take any form of bread. It doesn't matter. I use these dark toast just because I think it tastes the best in this form um, of a recipe in French toast. So we're going to dip it into our eggs, milk, and cinnamon, and then we're going to put it on our pan. So while our toast is actually cooking, let's prepare some of the toppings that we're going to put on the toast when it finishes. Firstly, we'll need a banana, 2 bowls. In those 2 bowls, we're going to take 2 teaspoons of peanut butter, and then we're going to unfreeze some cherries. You can, by the way, do any form of fruit that you would like. And now what we're going to do is we're going to we're going to cut some banana into little circles. And then I also prepared our cherries, so put them in the microwave for around 1 minute. And as you can see right here, I am flipping our toast, so obviously we don't burn them, and we want to cook them on the both sides. And right here we have a second part of the meal, which is a pizza. On this pizza, this is a homemade pizza, by the way. On this we have some cherry tomatoes, some tomato sauce. Also we have some mozzarella, some mushrooms, and some corn. For the dough, it's actually used from integral flour, so it's actually, like I said, really clean. So the toast is done and we're going to put it on a plate. So on my pan, only 4 toasts fit, but we're going to actually eat 5. So just repeat the process. 3 eggs should be enough for around 5 toasts, by the way. And then I'm just going to put our pizza into the oven and just wait for it to kind of warm up and then also bake. So while we wait for the pizza, let's actually make our French toast. So I'm going to take the peanut butter. We actually heated up a little bit earlier, and then I'm just going to put it all across our toasts. And as we've done this, let's actually put our banana slices on our toast. Boom, there are the bananas, and let's actually put the cherries also on top of the toast, and then here is the final product. Now that we finished the French toast, we're just going to take our pizza away from the oven and put it on like a plate. Okay, so the meal is finally finished, and right here you can see the overview of it. And this, by the way, has 1,500 calories. It has around 60 grams of protein, 180 grams of carbs, and the fat is around 30 grams. So this is a great meal. This is, by the way, my favorite meal, and you can see kind of how it looks in MyFitnessPal. And here I absolutely devour this meal. It is great, and you'd have definitely have to try at least one of these two meals that are kind of concluded in this one. Oh, okay, so we're heading into the second meal. As you can see right here, it's around half of 2 p.m. and I'm going to make myself some oats and then also some chicken. I'm going to show you my oats recipe. It's basically really different than most people's oats recipes. Like you see, we're using a blender. So just like I said, into the blender we're going to put around 100 grams of oats. You can use any type you want. I just use the regular ones without sugar, just clean oats. And then right after that we're going to take a banana. Usually a normal banana is around 120 to around 150 grams. And then right after this we're going to put some sour milk, or this is basically fairly similar to Greek yogurt. And then right after this we're going to use 15 grams of peanut butter, just because we had a little bit more peanut butter a little bit earlier. And then to top this off we're going to finish it with around 130 to 150 grams of our regular milk. And now we're just going to blend it. I'm not sure, like you will see how much you need to blend it, but don't just totally blend it. Open it firstly and then scrape off the sides. This you can do like 10 seconds into blending, just to get that excess oats from the sides actually inside of the meal, just so we don't end up wasting them. And then we're just going to finish the blending off, and then we're going to pour this mixture into a bowl. And then again we're just going to take some cherries, put them in the microwave, and then put them together with the oats, like I said, into the bowl. And then we're just going to mix it together. And then right here we have 300 grams of rotisserie grilled chicken, so that is a meal too. And as you can see, this meal we're looking at around 1,800 calories with 126 grams of protein, 130 grams of carbs, and around 35 grams of fat.
I just finished my chicken, as you can see right here. And then we'll just have some oats, like I said, oatmeal. About to eat. Yeah, I'm already full. But this is just kind of the challenge that you have to go every single day. It's currently 2 p.m. So let's go and eat this shit. That's finished also. It took me around half an hour to eat this, but it's fine, bro. Let's go to the third meal, right? Yeah, third meal. This is not really a meal, but as you can see, we have some fruit. So let me kind of go over what we have here. Okay, so we have 2 kiwis, we have strawberries, blueberries, these are tangerines, we have some apples, some oranges, and then we have 1 banana right there. So yeah, that's really interesting. I'm not sure how many calories is this. I'm going to pop it on the screen. I don't really remember how many calories my meals have. I just put them into MyFitnessPal, as you can see on the screen.
And as you can probably predict, fruit is literally just carbs. So we're looking at 130 grams of carbs, 7 grams of protein, and 0 grams of fat for this kind of snack. And this is, by the way, my pre-workout meal most of the times, but today is actually rest day, so we don't work out.
Oh, so it's currently 8:30 p.m. and here's my last meal right here. So we have 450 grams of beef, so 20% fat, and then we have a little bit of mozzarella, and then we have 100 grams of integral pasta right there. And then we also have a little salad. So that is for dinner. I'm going to give you another look at it. There you go.
Okay, so for this meal, we are looking at around 1,404 calories with 111 grams of protein, 83 grams of carbs, and 70 grams of fat. This is our last meal of the day. And let's take an overview for the whole day. So today we went a little bit over our calorie limit. We're looking at 4,578 calories. We're at exactly 300 grams of protein, 520 grams of carbs, and 148 grams of fat.
So that is my diet. That's basically what I eat in a day. I eat this every single day, these exact meals. And by the way, this is like a post-workout meal, but today is a rest day, so we don't really work out. Thank you guys for watching. Fate be the reason. Click the subscribe button, drop me a like, drop me a comment, tell me what you think. Tell me what is your diet. Are you cutting? Are you bulking? Again, thank you guys for watching. Click and watch this video. I think it's going to help you a lot, especially with your mentality. And see you very, very soon. Peace.